Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a glitter ball Christmas tree. You will need 1 bag of glitter balls, also known as table scatter. I got that for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Also a thin paintbrush, as well as an 8 by 11 inch piece of paper. I am using a pink cut of poster board. Starting at 1/4, you're going to roll this piece of paper or poster board with the paintbrush, and once you get the rolled shape, you can add a piece of tape to hold it and glue it on the inside to secure the cone shape. I lie the paper down on a flat surface and then continue rolling to get the perfect cone shape. Instead of waiting for the glue to dry, you can just add 2 pieces of tape on the outside to hold it in place. I cut off the end so that when the cone stands, it's evenly balanced. Time to start gluing on the glitter balls, starting at the very top of the cone. I prefer to use a medium to large glitter ball first and then surround it with other sizes. When making a glitter ball tree, it's all about a randomized pattern and mostly getting the balls to all fit together. As the cone gets wider, you'll want to use medium to large glitter balls and then the smaller ones to fill in any spaces. As I get to the end of the cone, I hold it downward as I glue the ball so that I keep the shape of the tree. This looks pretty full, but I could probably add about 2 more rows and fill in the spaces. Okay, just 1 more. The tree is done, but now it's time to cut the trunk. First, I cut the trunk vertically, then horizontally, leaving approximately 1/4 of an inch left out. To hide that blinding hot pink color, I'm gonna cover the trunk with an old silver bow. I tried to give my scissors a break and pull this apart, but I had to cut the string. I'm gluing the outside of the trunk and then wrapping the ribbon around. Then I place more glue on the inside and tuck the remaining ribbon in. This super cute tree measures at approximately 6 inches. Great, let's make it taller with wooden dowels. I chose the one that's 1/4 of an inch in diameter. I want a tripod stand, so I'm going to take the 12-inch dowel and cut it into 3s, measuring at 4 inches each. I glue each dowel one at a time and hold it slanted as it dries, and that gives it the tripod look. It stands perfectly and it's absolutely wobble-proof. Let's make a mini wreath with the leftover glitter balls. To cover up the clip, I glue on the remaining silver ribbon to a shower curtain ring. Then I cut it about 3 to 4 times to give it the fringe look. I added on 1 more piece of fringed ribbon just to make it a little longer. Be sure to glue the glitter balls to each other and onto the ring so that it's sturdy. I only added 6 balls and only on one side to give it a more modern look. Our tree could use a gift box. I'm using a small 4 by 4 inch gift box and decorating it with both ribbon and rhinestone that are both 16 inches in length. Then I split the rhinestone ribbon into 2 single strips. Lie the ribbon and box down flat, glue the ribbon on, followed by the rhinestone, and repeat these steps so that you get a cross in the center. Lastly, glue on a small glitter bow. I hope my dolls don't mind if I keep this. Moving right along to our glitter branch tree holder. You will need 2 50-cent coin holders. Making sure that the roll lines are aligned together. And pink acrylic paint. This craft does not require a lot of paint, so I just squeeze it onto a cotton ball. Then dab it onto the glued coin holders. Then I place it onto a long paintbrush to let it dry. For the base, I use 2 3 by 3 inch cardboard pieces, then glue them together. Then I use Solon's sterling glitter to coat the base, and a recycled corn tray so that I don't make a mess. Pour a line, glue an edge, then dip it. Repeat these steps to all sides. Put a generous amount of glue stick on the top, then sprinkle glitter on it. For more texture, I added liquid glue, then dipped it in glitter again. On a separate tray, place the base down because now it's time to glue on the trunk. Then I add a handful of small rocks to add weight to the stand. This will keep it from falling over when you put the branches inside. Next, I take a 16-inch single strip of rhinestone ribbon and wrap it around the line on the coin holders. Place the branch inside and it's ready to be used for your own decor or your doll's house. Don't glue the branches inside the trunk in case you plan on swapping them out with other branches. When we take these adorable crafts and put them next to our dolls, this is what it looks like. This could also be used for a baby shower in December for your dolls. You have a glitter branch tree, a wreath, a gift box, and a glitter ball Christmas tree. And the pink glitter trees, as well as the metallic gift boxes, also come from Dollar Tree. One more Dollar Tree goodie, glitter ball string lights. This is one set of 6 and it requires 2 AA batteries that are not included. I love how everything I get from Dollar Tree works for me and my dolls. These would be cute at an all-pink Christmas party or a bedroom. For the sake of texture coordination, these dolls decided to leave them off, and they still look just as great. Thank you all for watching and crafting with me. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on your alerts for more crafts, full entertaining episodes, and shorts. See you then!